If walking upstairs feels harder, if your legs look thinner but feel heavier, if getting out of a chair takes more effort than it used to, then pay attention because this is not just fatigue and it is not just normal aging. It is the earliest warning sign of something called sarcopenia, which is the age-related loss of muscle, and it always starts in your legs. That is where we see the first quiet shift. Your legs become weaker, your steps slower, and your recoveries take longer. And the worst thing is that most people never see it coming until it is too late. But here is the good news. There is a way to prevent this from happening, not with a gym membership or injections, but with a specific type of food. Eaten at the right time in the morning. This food tells your body that it is time to build again, keep what you have earned, and that it is not over yet. So if you want to stay independent and keep walking, driving, dancing, and living fully into your 70s and beyond, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Because in this video, I will show you the exact foods that flip your muscle building switch back on, especially in your legs, where decline hits first. And in the comments, tell me, what is the one leg activity you want to keep doing for as long as possible? Type hike, garden, kneel, or even dance below. Now let me tell you about a man named Walter, who is 67. Walter is a former firefighter from Ohio. Tough guy, still strong, still sharp, until he noticed something. He was struggling to carry groceries upstairs. His quads felt soft, his balance was off, and one morning his knee gave out while tying his shoes. There was no pain, it was just weakness, and it scared him a lot. So he went to the doctor. He told him it is just age, normal wear and tear, but Walter did not accept that. He wanted his legs back, and what changed everything for him was not a workout plan or a supplement. It was a single change to his breakfast. Because the science now shows that what you eat in the morning determines whether your body builds or breaks down muscle that day, Walter added 3 things. And in 8 weeks, he gained measurable strength, reversed the shrinkage in his thighs, and started climbing stairs 2 at a time again. This is not hype, it is muscle physiology. Let's break it down. So, what is really happening to your legs after 60? By the time you turn 60, your body naturally starts losing muscle, up to 1% per year, often more. This process is called sarcopenia, and it is more than just a cosmetic issue. Muscle is your body's engine for movement, balance, and even metabolism. And the first place you lose it is your legs. That is because your leg muscles, like the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, are the largest and most used muscles in your entire body. But here is the kicker. After 60, your body becomes resistant to the normal muscle-building signals from food. This is called anabolic resistance. It is like your muscles are hard of hearing, and unless you send a strong, clear message each morning, your body chooses to break down muscle instead of maintaining it. But you can send that message, and it starts with your first meal of the day. So, the first thing we need to discuss is a common morning mistake that I like to describe as the silent muscle killer. Let's pause here and ask, what did you have for breakfast today? If you said toast, cereal, fruit, or even just coffee, that is a problem. Because all of these are low protein, low leucine, and high glycemic, which means they tell your body, don't build, just coast. And after an overnight fast, your muscles are already primed to shrink unless you tell them otherwise. So what should you eat? Let's count down the 7 morning foods that preserve leg muscle, reverse muscle loss, and help you stay mobile and strong without spending hours in the gym. Number 7 is water with electrolytes and lemon because hydration might not sound like a muscle food, but it is. Your muscle cells need fluid balance to function, contract, and repair. A glass of water with lemon juice and a pinch of sea salt or magnesium powder first thing in the morning helps prevent leg cramps, supports blood flow, and sets the stage for better nutrient absorption. Drink this before your first meal, especially if you wake up with stiff knees or calves. Number 6 is black coffee with creatine. If you drink coffee in the morning, consider adding 3 to 5 grams of creatine monohydrate to it. Creatine helps restore ATP in your muscles, which is the energy currency of your cells. Multiple studies have shown that older adults who take creatine with protein see better results in strength and lean mass. Creatine does not cause weight gain if used properly, and it works especially well in combination with a high leucine meal. Number 5 is smoked salmon or sardines on rye or sourdough. Fish like salmon and sardines are rich in protein, omega-3, and vitamin D, which are all crucial for muscle maintenance. Omega-3 helps reduce inflammation that can interfere with recovery. Vitamin D boosts muscle cell function and helps with balance and leg coordination. Pair it with a slice of rye or sourdough bread to provide a steady glucose source without spiking insulin. Eat this 3 to 4 times a week in rotation with eggs or yogurt. Number 4 is oats with whey protein and cinnamon. Oats on their own are not enough, but when you mix in a scoop of whey protein isolate, suddenly you are giving your body over 25 grams of muscle-ready fuel. Add a dash of cinnamon to control blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity, which plays a big role in muscle metabolism. This is a great option if you prefer a warm, filling breakfast without meat or eggs. Eat it within 2 hours of waking up, especially after a light walk or resistance band session. Number 3 is collagen-rich bone broth. Bone broth is not just for joints. It is packed with glycine, proline, and type 2 collagen, which support the connective tissue around your leg muscles. But here is what most people miss. To actually trigger muscle repair, you need to add leucine. So try adding a scoop of grass-fed collagen peptides and a few slices of turkey breast or chicken thigh into your broth for a warm, muscle-activating soup. Drink this early in the morning or as your second meal before 11 a.m. Number 2 is Greek yogurt with chia seeds. 1 cup of unsweetened Greek yogurt contains about 20 grams of protein, plus calcium and probiotics to support muscle and bone health. But when you stir in a tablespoon of chia seeds, you add anti-inflammatory omega-3s and fiber that stabilize blood sugar so your insulin does not spike and interfere with recovery. This combination keeps your body in an anabolic state, meaning it is more likely to build than break down. Eat this as a standalone breakfast or after your eggs if you need more calories. Number 1 on this list is whole eggs with garlic. Yes, the whole egg, not just the white. Egg yolks are one of the richest sources of leucine, the amino acid that activates muscle protein synthesis, especially in older adults. Leucine acts like a switch. Without it, your body does not know how to start rebuilding. But here is the trick. You need at least 2 eggs paired with a small amount of raw, crushed garlic. But why garlic? Because it increases testosterone and improves circulation to your legs, helping deliver nutrients more efficiently. Crush 1 clove of garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes to activate allicin. Then eat it alongside your eggs, boiled or poached. Do this within 90 minutes of waking up. That is when your muscles are hungriest. Now here is a very interesting biology fact that you need to know. Muscle building is time-sensitive, especially after 60. Your body follows a rhythm, and in the first 2 hours after waking up, your muscles are primed for protein absorption. This is called the anabolic window. If you miss that window, your body switches into breakdown mode. So instead of growing, your leg muscles start to shrink. That is why your first meal is your most important one. It is your opportunity to turn on muscle-building hormones, regulate insulin, and feed your legs exactly what they need to stay strong. Do this consistently, and you will notice an easier time standing, more confidence on stairs, less trembling after activity, and better balance, especially on uneven ground. But before we wrap up, here are a few things to watch out for in the morning that sabotage muscle. Skipping breakfast, just having coffee with no food, eating fruit-only meals with no protein, or consuming high-sugar protein bars full of soy and sweeteners. All of these spike your blood sugar, elevate cortisol, and send your muscles the wrong signal. Now let's pull it all together. Here is your 7-day muscle-saving morning routine. Start with lemon water and sea salt when you wake up, then have your protein-rich breakfast, including eggs, yogurt, oats, or salmon, within 90 minutes. After that, add leucine-rich and anti-inflammatory foods every day. Stay hydrated and, of course, avoid high sugar and empty carbs early in the day. And if possible, take a 10-minute walk or do a few resistance band moves before eating. That tells your body that we are still using these legs, so do not throw them away. Try this for 7 days, notice how you feel, and then come back and type strong legs in the comments if you notice a difference. You are not falling apart, you are just underfueled, and your legs are not shrinking because of age. They are shrinking because no one told you what they really need to stay strong, but now you know, and now you can start building again. You do not need to be perfect, you just need the right message at the right time. So hit subscribe if you care about aging with strength. Type strong legs in the comments if this is part of your new morning plan, and if you want more videos like this, with real nutrition science made simple, we will see you in the next video.